If you've accidentally locked your card on Weebly and need to unlock it, follow these simple steps to regain access. This guide will help you through the process easily. Step 1. Log into your Weebly account. Visit the Weebly website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account or Settings section in the menu. Click on it to access your account management options. Step 3. Find the Card Management section. In the Account Settings, look for a section related to payment methods or card management. This is where you can view your locked card status. Step 4. Select the locked card. Identify the card that is locked. There should be an option to view details or manage the card. Click on it to proceed. Step 5. Unlock the card. Follow the prompts to unlock your card. This may involve confirming your identity or agreeing to certain terms. Once completed, you should receive a confirmation that your card is unlocked. Now you can use your card again for transactions on Weebly. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Weebly support for further assistance.